So thanks for tuning back in, guys. We're going to show you this Autel tool, which has the McLaren software on it. And what we're going to do is basically show you the screens and the coverage that the tool will cover when hooking it up to a 625C Coupe and Spyder. So we've got the tool already in position, so we're just going to go on and show you the selection that we need to make. So we're going to go to, we've got the Coupe and the Spyder version right here. So we'll try the Coupe version first of all, and we'll go to 2018 as an example. Just click OK to that. So we're going to go to control unit, because this is what's going to give us a list of all of the systems that it will diagnose and reset. So we've got all of the main ones like the engines, the powertrain control unit, the ASP, so the airbag system, the traction control system, electronic park and brake, HVAC systems, the doors, the seats, steering angle sensor, and then we scroll along, we've got a couple of other systems as well on that screens. So these are the main systems that it will cover. Like if you've got like a warning light, check engine, airbags, ABS, something like that, or any other warning light, then this will allow you to diagnose and reset that, and also look at the live data, read the fault codes. We're not hooked up to a vehicle at the moment, so we can't do that, but it's just really a short video to show you what it will cover within those vehicles. Okay, so if we come out of this and then we go into hot functions, currently the tool will allow you to do oil service resets and the electronic park and brake resets on the 625. Okay, now one thing I will show you as well is, I'll go back, because we go back to exit the current model, and we'll go into the Spyder version as well. So we go 625 Spyder. And the reason I want to show you this is because it's going to be pretty much exactly the same as the Coupe, but the one extra thing that we will have on the Spyder version is, where is it? Did I see it on the other screen? Yes, we did, the convertible roof control module. So if you've got a problem with the convertible roof, then of course this will allow you to diagnose and reset that. So I'll pop the link to this in the description. As I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll pop the email address in there as well. So if you've got any further questions about the tool, then by all means get in touch with us and we can answer those as best we can. But for now, I'll leave that information with you. Click the link in the description. It'll give you a lot more information on this tool as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.